In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable subtitles in VLC Media Player in just a few quick clicks. This is a simple fix if subtitles are distracting, if they're showing up when you don't want them, or if you just want a cleaner viewing experience while watching your video. Whether you're using VLC on Windows, Mac, or another device, the steps are almost exactly the same and very easy to follow. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open VLC Media Player and load the video you want to watch. You can do this by opening VLC first and then dragging your file into the player, or by right-clicking the video and opening it with VLC directly. Once the video is playing, look at the top menu bar. You'll want to click on Subtitle. This menu controls all subtitle options inside VLC, including subtitle tracks, subtitle files, and turning subtitles off completely. After you click Subtitle, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Subtrack. This is the option that lets you choose which subtitle track is active for the current video. In many videos, you may see one or more subtitle tracks listed here, and VLC uses this menu to switch between them. Once you open Subtrack, click Disable. This tells VLC to turn off subtitles for the video you're currently watching. As soon as you select it, the subtitles should disappear from the screen. If they don't go away immediately, just pause and play the video again, or click back to the playback screen and they should be gone. And that's it. You've now disabled subtitles in VLC for the current video. This is a great quick fix whenever subtitles are enabled by default or you simply don't want them on screen. Just remember, this change only applies to the video you're watching right now. So if you open another video later, you may need to repeat the same steps again, depending on the file and its settings. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials, tips, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.